We know that sun is providing energy to whole solar system. To put that in perspective, this is the equivalent of about 1,820,000,000 Tsar bombs, the most powerful thermonuclear bomb ever built. A total of 173,000 terawatts, trillions of watts, of solar energy strikes the Earth continuously. That's more than 10,000 times the world's total energy use. With the world's energy needs growing rapidly, and energy from fossil fuel is expensive and also harmful for environment, other environment-friendly energy sources like solar and wind energy are expensive and not available all the time and have other complications as well. Now, to understand why China is creating artificial sun, first let's understand some terminologies first. Nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion is a reaction in which two or more atomic nuclei are combined to form one or more different atomic nuclei and subatomic particles, neutrons or protons. To fuse two hydrogens we need 27 million degrees Fahrenheit or 15 million degrees Celsius, and 265 billion bar pressure and also 274 meter per second square gravity. Nuclear fission. Nuclear fission is a reaction in which the nucleus of an atom splits into two or more smaller nuclei. Nuclear fusion versus nuclear fission. Fusion is a nuclear technology that can produce very high levels of energy without generating large quantities of nuclear waste, and scientists have been trying to perfect it for decades. Currently, nuclear power is obtained in the form of fission, a process contrary to fusion. Fission is easier to achieve, but it generates nuclear waste that is radioactive. China's artificial sun. China's artificial sun has set a new world record after superheating a loop of plasma to temperatures 5 times hotter than the sun for more than 17 minutes, state media reported. The EAST, Experimental Advanced Superconducting Tokamak, nuclear fusion reactor maintained a temperature of 158 million degrees Fahrenheit, 70 million degrees Celsius, for 1,056 seconds, according to the Xinhua news agency. The achievement brings scientists a small yet significant step closer to the creation of a source of near unlimited clean energy. The Chinese experimental nuclear fusion reactor smashed the previous record, set by France's Tour-Supra Tokamak in 2003, where plasma in a coiling loop remained at similar temperatures for 390 seconds. Scientists have been trying to harness the power of nuclear fusion, the process by which stars burn, for more than 70 years. By fusing hydrogen atoms to make helium under extremely high pressures and temperatures, so-called main sequence stars are able to convert matter into light and heat, generating enormous amounts of energy without producing greenhouse gases or long-lasting radioactive waste. Elsewhere, the first viable fusion reactor could be completed in the United States as soon as 2025, and a British company hopes to be commercially generating electricity from fusion by 2030. Nuclear fusion produces no greenhouse gases and leaves no radioactive waste. As opposed to fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and natural gas, which are in danger of being exhausted and pose a threat to the environment, raw materials required for the artificial sun are almost unlimited on Earth, says researcher Guang Xianzu in a press release. Therefore, fusion energy is considered the ideal ultimate energy for the future of humanity. Nuclear fusion is a promising technology that can produce enormous amounts of clean energy with very few waste products. Recently, China successfully tested its artificial sun, a nuclear fusion reactor that could generate energy for many years to come if it can be made more sustainable.